kings and queens, pirates and mermaids. Many of these fairy tale stories feature gorgeous jewels and treasures beyond belief. You can keep your treasures safe in a popsicle stick jewelry box just like this one. Let's check it out. Hi there. I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, where I'm an adult services librarian. Welcome to our library. I'm so glad you stopped by, especially because we're in the middle of the Imagine Your Story Summer Experience, a yearly summer-long program that celebrates reading, learning, and play in all ages. You can earn fabulous prizes by reading, completing challenges, and by attending virtual events like this one. Visit goffstownlibrary.com/summer2020 to register for the adult program today, so you'll be all set when I reveal the secret code for today's video coming up soon. Speaking of today's video, we'll be making jewelry boxes out of popsicle sticks, also known as craft sticks. I love crafts that use just a few materials, so this one will be right up my alley. To make the jewelry box, you're going to need 2 pieces of paper, a writing utensil, a ruler, tape, and scissors. Plus, you'll need a hot glue gun and lots of popsicle sticks. I recommend having about 275 popsicle sticks at your disposal. This will give you plenty of room if any of them break or if any of them are deformed. Optionally, you can use wood stain to give the craft sticks a more grown-up look. Follow the instructions on the bottle of stain if you choose to do this, and make sure they're completely dry before you start the craft. And last but not least, you can add embellishments like wooden beads or knobs to the lid of your jewelry box. To get started, grab your piece of paper so we can make the template for the base of the box.
Measure and mark a total of 3 4.5-inch squares on your 2 pieces of paper, then cut out with scissors. Draw an X through the squares corner to corner like you see here. Position the squares so 2 are touching at one corner and lay the third between them as shown. Tape in place. Hot glue craft sticks to the paper base, starting with angles that slope upward and to the right. Now add craft sticks to the angles that slope down and to the right. Continue adding craft sticks in this way. When you look at one side, you can count your craft sticks. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 craft sticks. Do this until you can count 30. Rip the paper base off and remove any remaining glue. Hot glue as many whole craft sticks as possible to the bottom of the box, creating a base. Where any gaps remain, cut the craft sticks with scissors and glue the partial craft sticks in place. Now is a great time for me to tell you that today's secret code is IceCream74. You can log code IceCream74 at goffstownlibrary.com/summer2020 to be entered in our raffle. Remember, the code is case sensitive. When the base is complete, add several craft sticks sloping in the opposite direction to enforce the base. Now begin crafting the lid. On top of the box, add but do not glue one layer of craft sticks. Now add and glue sticks going in the opposite direction. Set the box aside. Your next layer of craft sticks will be slightly adjacent to the previous layer. You will be shrinking the frame closer and closer together until you ultimately end with one craft stick at the apex of 3 pyramids. Glue decorative knobs or beads to the apex of the pyramid. Now cut the curves off 4 craft sticks. Glue these sticks perpendicularly into the far left and right corners of the lid. These sticks will prevent the lid from sliding off the box.
And there you have it, a completed jewelry box. Did you follow along? Leave us a comment below about how your craft went, or leave us a comment with any tips and tricks that made you successful. Don't forget that by watching today's video and by completing today's craft, you've earned raffle tickets to the Adult Summer Experience's grand prize gift bags, which include $50 in gift cards each. All you've got to do is visit goffstownlibrary.com/summer2020 to log the secret code that I revealed during the video. And while you're there, visit the Get Crafty mission to upload a photo of your craft. Again, it's as easy as visiting goffstownlibrary.com/summer2020. Like and share this video if you got something out of it, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got how-tos and crafts for all ages, plus book talks, story times, and more featured on this channel. I'll be back next week with another craft video as part of the Imagine Your Story Summer Experience. In the meantime, you can connect with the Goffstown Public Library on social media or visit goffstownlibrary.com to see what we're up to. Again, I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, and I'll check you out later.